right, here's another edition of Animal Faces and Bodies. Another 3 coming at you. Let's get started.
One of my favorite animals to draw is the fish. So start with the mouth, make an arrow pointing right. Then make a big line, a big half oval, starting at the end of that arrow all the way back, and then do the same on the underside. You may make that underside a little bit smaller. So it's kind of like a bigger head. Then we'll make the tail. So think of like a triangle almost. So a line coming out and going up, and then one going out and down. Then instead of making a straight line, we'll make another arrow shape to connect that. All right, then we're going to give it a fin. So another arrow. And then we'll connect that with a half circle. Then near the mouth, make a big circle for the eye, another circle within that for the pupil. Then towards the back of the fish, past that fin, draw a straight line up, not too tall. Then take that line and curve it all the way around to meet the top of the head and end where near the eye is. Now we'll add a few little details. So maybe he's a little tired. He's got a line under his eye. Let's give him some sharp teeth there, some little triangles. Then we'll give him some scales. So just a couple little half circles, and you can kind of put these wherever. That doesn't really matter, just to give you an idea that they're there. You don't have to draw all of them out. Then I'm just going to throw a few lines in there in the fins. So the top fin, we'll do some lines straight down. And we already put those lines in our other fin. And now for the tail, we'll take some from that the ends of the arrow going inwards. And you've got a pretty cool fish. Next up will be a hen. So we'll make a big oval for the body. Then for the head, start at the middle, then come up like a little half, like a hill for the head. Then make a little triangle kind of shape coming off the back for the tail. Easy arrow for the beak. I'm going to give this hen a little tiny eye. Then we'll make some teardrop shapes on top of the head. And for the wing, just do a big kind of rounded arrow, a rounded almost triangle. Simple hen. Next up is our bunny. So we'll make 2 circles for the cheeks. If you've done some of the other videos with me, you know this is how I start the cat too. So then make a line in between for the nose, then a line in the middle for the teeth and connect those as kind of a square. 2 little dots for the eyes, then a big half circle connecting the cheeks for the head. And for the ears, start at the top of the head, make a curved line out and come back around again to a point. So almost like ovals but pointed. Now for the body, start around the teeth and make a curved line going down and out towards the edges of your paper. Then a little curved line at the bottom to connect it. Then we'll do a half circle on either side for the back feet. And just make like a big curve, another half circle. Those are the back legs. 2 half circles at the bottom of the body. Then we'll draw a few lines coming down. So from the top of the head around where the teeth are, straight down to where those half circles are. You can keep those kind of skinny. Then we'll add a few lines here for the toes. And on the back feet, we'll curve those. Now throw in a couple eyebrows and some whiskers. And we have our bunny. And let me know if you like this one. And as always, I'm happy for you to send me some feedback. Thanks.